So if you look at all the stakeholders here, I mean, patients and carers clearly want access to new medicines as fast as possible. Regulators want, I think, I hope, a more flexible evaluation framework that increases predictability, reduces inefficiency, and hopefully stimulates innovation. But they don't, understandably, want to compromise patient safety, nor should they. It's a tall order, but hopefully we can do it. Payers want earlier engagement in the discussion. They want to help shape the data needs in the development pathway that will allow a better assessment of value. Industry wants increased R&D productivity, clearly. It also wants proper incentives for innovation. And society at large, I think, will benefit hugely if we can ensure that genuine scientific breakthroughs are translated into patient benefits as quickly as possible. I think we need to invest enormously in electronic health records, in biobanks, in genetic databases, and in the linkages between all of those things. Because unless we can get better access to real-world data, and that comes from many places, we will not be able to improve long-term health outcomes for patients. So that is absolutely key. Of course, we need to promote flexible regulatory evaluation frameworks. We need to have a coherent health technological view of value and a broader assessment of value. It's too narrow at the moment. And we need to think about flexible pricing schemes. The economic model for personalized medicines is very different from the economic model of conventional medicines. We need to be advocates, I think, for the proper integration of companion diagnostics, both in terms of their approval and their reimbursement. Personalized medicine will rely heavily on diagnostics, so we need to support that. And as I've said, I think we need to adopt innovative clinical trial designs and ensure that adaptive licensing methodologies are also supported by the agencies with whom we work. All of that's key. But let me come back finally to the point that Hugh was talking about, which is public-private partnerships. I think we need to support public-private partnerships like IMI, which, despite some initial skepticism, I believe, has provided a very successful pre-competitive environment for multi-stakeholder engagement across a wide variety of issues. It is my hope, it should be our hope, that IMI2, which is the proposed public-private partnership within the next framework program, Horizon 2020, that IMI2 will provide the neutral platform that allows all the various disciplines to work together and ensure that we can not just collaborate, but revise the research, discovery, development, regulatory and reimbursement frameworks, all of which is going to be necessary if we want to bring better, personalized medicines more quickly to the patients who need them.